I've been doing honestly content since 2017. Never really had the structure. I was having a dilemma. Why do it? Kasi baka wala naman makinig. Looking back lang din, parang there's a lot of times that I doubted myself na sinasabi ko, may isang tao lang magtiwala. I kept repeating that question in my mind. Na may isang tao lang magtiwala. So, hindi ako prepared to...
Parang kaya lang ngayon, 300 plus thousand na nagtitiwala sa'yo.
Although I'm thankful for the people who's watching. I mean, people like you. Makes it fucking worth the while. It took some time para ma-shed off ko yung parang feeling of unworthiness and deservability. Parang hindi ko naman deserve to be out there, to be heard. Those kind of conversations usually comes into mind. It's borderline parang ano tawag doon? Yung imposter syndrome. But I stick to it long enough and hard enough. And look where we are right now. And maybe if you're just like me in the past, yung ako in the past, kung ikaw ay tao na parang feeling mo wala namang makikinig sa'yo, do you really have a message worthy of sharing? Why not?